I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
Oh, stay out of it.
Nutella contains a ton of sugar and processed ingredients. 21 grams per 2 tablespoons to be exact.
Here we go again.
I heard these SDH kids are making a Nutella video this week. They take your favorite food and desserts and make them healthy without changing the taste. You should go watch them.
Fine.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I am Muhammad. And
She is
Honey!
Welcome to our show, Simple,
delicious, and
Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started! Please wash your hands. Begin up!
2 cups of hazelnut,
2 cups of hazelnut oil,
a pinch of pink Himalayan salt,
4 tablespoons of cacao,
a half tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
5 tablespoons of powdered cane sugar.
We're going to place the hazelnuts in a pan at 350 for 12 minutes. Take it out and let it cool down.
Then we are going to remove as much skin as we can by shaking or rubbing it. Some of the skin may be hard to remove. Don't worry about it.
We are going to place them in the Vitamix and pulse until broken down. Then turn it to the lowest setting for a minute. We turned it on speed 2 and add 2 tablespoons of hazelnut oil. Blend for 5 to 10 minutes on speed 2 or until smooth. Make sure to scrape down the sides.
We tried this recipe with a food processor. However, it comes out creamier in the Vitamix. While blending, add the 4 tablespoons of cacao and half tablespoon of vanilla extract.
We're going to combine the sugar and salt in the coffee bean grinder. Then add them in the mixture. Hazelnut oil is what makes it rich and tasty. You can find it off Amazon or your local health store. If you can't find it, well, look more.
You can buy powdered cane sugar. However, make sure it does not contain cornstarch. Or you can make your own by grinding it in a coffee bean grinder. Refrigerate in a mason jar for up to 2 weeks and enjoy. And now to the enlightenment board.
Cacao powder is made by crushing cacao beans and removing the fat.
It may lower your risk of a heart attack and stroke.
Contains more magnesium than a serving of spinach.
Hazelnuts are rich with healthy fats, magnesium, and vitamins.
They are also healthy for your heart, skin, muscle, and bones.
Nutella contains 70% saturated fat, packed and processed sugar, and modified vegetable oil.
Studies have also found that Nutella may cause cancer.
This week's shout out goes to. Thank you for your support.
Nutella is a jar of processed, unhealthy ingredients. While buying it at the store may be faster, your health deserves the extra few minutes to make it at home. There are no harmful ingredients and you know what's in it.
Bismillah!
Nutella is great with apples
Bananas.
or by the spoonful.
It's delicious in the world.
Best thing in the whole entire world.
Nutella contains a... Sorry, it's not good. What is it?
Hey kids.
My name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is...
Okay.
While buying it at the store may be faster, your health deserves the extra few minutes to make it at home. You know it's harmful. Nutella contains a ton of sugar, 21 grams per tablespoon.
In the oven. No thanks.